This video is to learn about the different assessment options track learning has to offer and how to quickly assess them to assign them to your students. So on the caseload page, we're logged in. The action button houses quick assessment, open assessment, or assessments. And in the future, we'll also offer diagnostic. To start quick assessment, these quick assessments can be assigned. They can be used as pre-assessments, post-assessments, for different units. They could be assigned for testing different kids' skills and knowledge base. Maybe you're trying to write a new IEP. Maybe it's an initial evaluation for special services, and you're trying to figure out what this kid truly knows in all the different areas and where you would like to serve or support them. This can also be used as exit tickets, just in daily encounters or weekly assessments for kids. How it's used is, say we're going to choose math, place value, and you just, whatever skills you want to assess and check, you just go ahead and click it. We're automatically going to populate 5 questions, but you can choose or write as many questions as you want, 201. You can have 1 question of this, and the computer is in less than a fraction of a second going to completely be auto-generated, randomized, and different for all the different kids. So if you have 2 kids sitting by each other, their questions are going to be in different orders. And so they can't just sit there and cheat. I don't think that's a big problem or issue to worry about, but everything's going to go look different for every one of the kids. You're going to then name it, and you're going to generate the assessment. When that is complete, it is going to generate a table that looks like this, and it's going to show you each objective that you assessed that group of students on, so that you can quick reference, okay, Benny got 100% on finding the perimeter of a shape, 0% on finding the area. You can see there's low points, their high points, and it will even give you a mean, the average of the entire group to those different objectives or target skills, which is really awesome. So you can use this information to help design the different specially designed instruction that you're going to be giving, or it can help you in deciding what kind of direction you want to go with students specifically, IEP goals, etc. The second one, and none of those goals actually have to be assigned to a kid. But for open assessment, this is what you're going to do more on. Maybe you're checking specifically on IEP goals. So open assessment is only IEP goal related. So these are the goals that are already assigned to these kiddos. It's also used a lot during maybe progress report time, where you're trying to figure out, okay, where are they at for report cards? So you're going to notice it just like the individual student learning profile. We have the blue bar with their name. You click it, it's going to show these are Donald's 3 IEP goals. You can choose to, maybe he's not going to take it this time. You just collected data last week on him, or you're going to have him close it. You go to the next kid. Okay, I want all those. I don't care about that one with Axel. And you're just going to go through, take the moment to figure this out. And now what's going to happen is when you add these goals, you also can have the option to pick how many questions you want for each target skill when an assessment is generated. So now when you name this, end of the year 2022, and you hit create, it's going to create an assessment in less than a fraction of a second, just like the quick assessments, for every student based on the number you chose for each target skill, completely random and auto-generated for all of those kids. So you can see all these goals. It's going to make questions for all that. As soon as I hit it, they turn around, they log in, boom, it's done. They're able to take the assessment right away, which is really awesome. No more do you have to have masters. You don't have to have paper everywhere. You don't have to grade. All of this is graded in moment with you, so that you can see where your kids are, how they're doing, if they completed it or not. And you can access that all from their individual learning profile right here. You can see how they did on what assessment. You can open that assessment. That'll be shared in another video. But also, like I mentioned before, in the future, we'll have the option to give a grade level specific diagnostic, where we hope to give like a content area that's computer adaptive to help assist and see where your students fall in specific skills and areas. So, and also at the end, help provide by giving IEP goal recommendations that you would be able to just click, take their assessment data, it'll create the baseline, go into the goal and write it for you. And then, it'll be based on their assessment results. So stay tuned. We like to, through the community page, share when things are happening or going on. And we'll definitely make sure to let everyone know that is using this program when the diagnostic is available. But again, thank you for watching, and make sure to access our other how-to videos if you need to, in order to learn how to use the program to its full potential and to benefit you and your students. And always, please always make sure to reach out to us and shoot us an email if you need anything else at info@trackedlearning.com. Thank you.